My body is a temple of spirit. Your body is a temple of the living spirit. It is spiritual substance. Since the Spirit of God has entered your being, your life is spiritual. The Supreme Being, ever present, exists at the very center of your thought. This presence within you has the power to make all things new. The perfect life of God is in and through you, in every part of your being. As the sun dissolves the mist, so my acceptance of life dissolves all pain and discord. You are free because the spiritual life in you is perfect. It remolds and recreates your body after the likeness of the divine pattern of body that exists in the mind of God. Even now, the living spirit is flowing through you. I open wide the doorway of my consciousness to its influx. I permit this physical body to receive the living spirit in every action, function, cell, and organ. I know that my whole being manifests the life, love, peace, harmony, strength, and joy of the Spirit that dwells within me, that is incarnated in me, that is my entire being. I open my consciousness to the realization that all the power and presence there is closes me in its eternal embrace. The Spirit forever imparts its life to me. I know that the Spirit within me is my strength and power.